sound. Okay, and go.
Camera rolling? Okay. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the another video of my channel. This is a subject based video. The concept is mathematical library methods in Java. In this mathematical library methods, we can see first of all that is a package. What is package? Package means it is the huge set of library classes stored in folders called a package. Huge set of library classes. What is library? Library means in there a library is a collection of material or media that can accessible for use, not for just display purposes. Library classes means that the library classes stored in a class or package. In a class or package means in the header file or in the package list we can store the library class. Library class means the built-in process. In the built-in process, this type of process that can store in the packages is called a library package. And the library package in Java or in mathematical library methods, this package that is based on the three parts. In Java, some of the common classes that found in java.language package. What are the three parts? That are number one, the system.class, number two is string class, and number three is math.class. System.class is based on that is the system.in and system.out. Here the string class based on the string is a collection of characters, okay? And in the math.class we can use it in the mathematical library function or in the mathematics purpose that can use in Java that calls a math.class. So now we can see a table format that based on the only for the math.class purposes. Now we can see that the most common usable three types of mathematical function that we use in Java, that are the first one is arithmetic purpose, number two is root function, and number three is round off. So in the arithmetic function we can see here that is called the math.abs. That means here we can find the math.absolute value. That means here we can see an example, math.abs. Example means math.abs. Here we can see that 15.0321. Here the output is absolute value, that is 15. We can find here. Math.max. Math.max means here we can see that the value of math.max. Here we can add example math.maximum bracket open, and here we can see 3,2. So here the output is 3. Math.mean same as math.mean, here 2,3, that means we can find 2. So in the math.random means here only we can see here the output is either 0 or 1 in this math.random. So this part belongs to the arithmetic part. Then comes to the root part. Root part means here in three parts, that are the math.pow function, math.square root function, and math.cbrt function. If you look it that all the mathematical function start using the math dot something. So the math.power, that means here the example math.power 2,3, that means the 2 to the power cube, that means we can find here 8. Okay, math.square root means the example is math.square root, that means 25, but the output is 5.0. Always remember that the math.square root and math.cbrt, that means the math.cube root, always find the result in float value. That means math.cube root means math.cbrt 27, that means the output is 3.0. So always remember that the math.square root and math.cbrt, both the part are output in using the float part. In the another part that is called a round off function, here we can see that math.rint, that means in the round integer that we can find 14.767, that means we can find the result is 15.0. Then comes to the point that is the math.cell. Math.cell means we can find here the math.ceiling value. Ceiling value means that is the output is math.cell. We can find here 12.569, that means the output is 13.0. Here math.floor value means the minimum value that can find here the math.floor. That means the output is math.floor. Here we can find 14.369. That means we can find the output is 14.0. And the math.round means the round of function that we can use in the math.round part. So that all the function, because of functions is belongs to these two parts, first bracket start close, we can use in the mathematical function or mathematical library function in Java when we using any types of programming that belongs to in mathematics purpose. So we use this part. So screenshot this part, that can help you for your further examination or further preparation. And if you really love this video, like it, share, comment, and also that must be remembered that subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Tata.